Distinguished guests and beloved friends, I share with you a statement endorsed by 97 organizations from 39 countries. People with diverse sexual orientation and gender identities and expressions experience crippling violence and debilitating discrimination in all regions of the world. We are kicked out of our housing, bullied out of our schools, denied employment, and refused the most basic healthcare services, including those related to sexual and reproductive health. Legal and socially condoned discrimination against our communities marginalizes many of us, putting us at additional risk of violence, HIV, and other health problems. Discrimination and stigma further prevents us from seeking or receiving needed care. Too often, the result is preventable suffering, institutional violence, and poverty, hindering our enjoyment of the right to development. The first principle of ICPD Program of Action reaffirms that all human beings are born free and equal, without distinction of any kind. Everyone is equally entitled to the enjoyment of all human rights regardless of their sexual orientation or gender identity. Human rights, equality, and non-discrimination are not controversial issues. They are the building blocks of development and are fundamental to ensuring strong societies. The ICPD Program of Action recognizes the central role that human rights play in the achievement of sustainable development. The attempts to silence discussion about human rights within this Commission are shameful derogation from the accepted principles and standards of the ICPD Program of Action. It is also unacceptable for representatives of states to attempt to derail negotiations by manipulating ideas about sexual orientation, gender identity, and sexual rights for political gain. To continue to deny the recognition of these universal human rights and perpetuate hatred, violence, and discrimination towards people of diverse sexuality and genders is a disservice to this Commission and the principles it represents. Despite the attempt by a few to render lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, and queer persons invisible here, draw strength from the knowledge that we are anything but invisible. In our advocacy, we clearly, publicly, and repeatedly draw attention to the discrimination we face, to our global resistance and activism in the face of adversity. And we are not alone. In various global spaces, including here at the UN, many countries, including the Asia-Pacific, Southern Africa, and Latin America, stood up for fulfilling the human rights of the people. The recognition and fulfillment of the human rights and development of all people, regardless of sexual identity, and gender expression, is a crucial step towards fulfillment of the ICPD commitments and development. It is time for governments to acknowledge what we all know to be true. Our lives are not negotiable. Thank you very much.